Hey YouTubers, welcome to my Richard videos. Well, doing a little show and tell of progress on the little roper tractor I'm tearing down to make my articulating tractor. So anyways, just took the back fenders off, the gas tank off and all that. Put a million bolts on it to take everything apart, but that's the way it is. And yeah, there's the transmission. Pretty simple thing. And there's look at the frame here, and I'm going to have to end up buying a sheet of 1/8 inch steel. So I'll have lots of metal in to build all sorts of stuff. So yeah, pretty simple design really. So anyway, let's show that. So I'm just looking for parts for it, and I want to share something here. But that little tractor, I'm basing this tractor off the Pasiconio. I forget how you sell it, but how you say it, but it's Italian, and there's two transmissions in it, front and rear transmission. So it's actually it's actually two two walking tractors put together, sort of, because it has a front transmission and a rear transmission. Kind of cool looking thing, sort of. So it really attracted me to it. I really like that cool stuff that you guys don't see very often, and I thought it'd be a cool build to do, and I get to use this thing here. So anyways, yeah, so I'm looking for another lawn tractor and transmission for the front, and make this thing articulate in the center. And I need to get the steering box and the little truck out there, 1950 Dodge out there, steering box in there. This would end up being power steering and everything, so it's kind of cool. So yeah, lots of stuff to do in there. Get some parts and pieces and start building the sucker. So anyways, another question I wanted to ask the community, people who view my videos and everything. I don't do hardly. I live by the highway here, so the farmhouse is beside the highway, so I hear a lot of traffic going by. Well, it's trucks too, so I like looking at the big heavy trucks that go by all the time. So anyways, I wanted to ask the community what kind of videos you want me to post on my YouTube channel. I'm not getting a whole lot of views from you guys. Got about 188 subscribers. It'd be nice to get a few more. So anyways, post in the comments below here what you'd like to see on the channel, more of, or more or less of, or whatever. Trying to post as many pruning videos as I can, but if you're looking for more pruning videos, just post in the comments. If you're looking for more tractor review stuff, post in the comments too. Kubota, you know, you guys all love order tractors, so some more reviews on Kubota tractors or even Coyote tractors, feel free to post a comment below. So anyways, or if you want to see more videos of homemade custom built tractors, which I really like anyway, or even more attachments for tractors, compact tractors especially, compact and subcompact tractors. So anyways, post in the comments below if you're interested in seeing more of those kind of videos, and we'll go from there. Anyways, today's a beautiful day out, and I'm going to get back out there and do some raking. Do some prunings, rake some prunings, because it's nice out there now. So, alright guys, thanks for watching my videos, and remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. Yeah, got a plane going by. That's nice. Alright, thanks for watching, and bye for now.